Well, this is about what we expected from these 7.4 liter Mercruiser Magnum MPIs. We still have cylinders holding ATF that was put in here months ago. Very rusty galley. Thankfully, I was able to get each lifter out with pretty little effort, just spinning them. They all popped right out, but you can see our camshaft is a little rusty, and I'm afraid the rust may go down into the crank. We're gonna let this thing sit for a little while. We're draining all the milkshake out of the oil pan. That oil pan's definitely gonna come off and get replaced. But if this block and pistons and crank and camshaft does turn over, we can reuse it. I definitely wanna have it checked by a machine shop. Same thing with the cylinder heads. I wanna have the heads machined and refinished and checked as well. I will say, this was the port engine. The starboard engine's looking much better in regards to its overall condition. You can just see in here, it was still oiled, but had a ton more moisture in the intake runners for the cylinder heads. And again, you know, no rust on the rocker arms, whereas the port engine over there had rust all throughout the rocker arms and center galley. So it'll be interesting to see once the heads are off this motor, if it will turn over via the breaker bar, because right now this thing's still locked solid. So we'll see. There was a quick, you know, fun little time lapse on disassembling these 1999 Mercruiser 7.4 liter MPI Magnum engines. I really hope we can reuse them. As always, thank you guys for watching, and there will be more of this to come in the future. At the very least, we've got some good parts here that we can reuse for a different build. All right, guys, take it easy.